Hello fellow stackers, it's 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to showcase you some Britannia 1 ounce silver coins. Now I've got a little bit of history and some facts around the Britannia coin, so without further ado let's get straight into the video. Now the first coin I have to show you is a 1997 silver Britannia. Now this was actually the first year that the Royal Mint produced a Britannia coin in silver. They actually started producing gold Britannias, 1 ounce gold Britannias in 1987, and then it was a whole 10 years later that they actually produced the first silver one. So you can see the design is very, very different on here compared to the designs you see on today's Britannias. Really, really nice design. You've got the horses on there. This looks a really nice coin. Now, I'm not going to take it out of the capsule. You can see it's got some tainting around the coin because obviously it's quite a few years old. This is actually from a proof set, and these were only actually released in proof sets on the first year. So quite hard to get hold of, and they do carry quite a heavy premium. So that's the reason why I won't be taking it out of the capsule today. I'm going to try and keep it as good condition as possible, because like I said, it's from a proof set and they have got quite a lot of numismatic value with them as well. Just the fact that they're the first silver Britannia. So really nice design. So I'll pop that over there. Then moving on to the next one I have to show you today. Now this is, if it's going to focus, is it going to focus? There we go. This is a 2001 silver Britannia. Really, really nice design. Some people really, really like this design and some people aren't too keen on it. So do let me know in the comment section what you think. I actually really like it. I think it's really it looks really sort of like modern, to be honest, because it's kind of like, if it's going to focus, it's got the Britannia written across there. It says 2001 there. And then it says 1 ounce fine silver on that side. So yeah, I actually really like this coin. I really like the design. I think it's really different compared to some of the other years. Like I said, the first year has the horses on there. This year has the lion. But both very different designs, but nevertheless both look very good. Really, really nice looking coins. And again, this is from a proof set, so I won't be taking it out of the capsule today. And then last but not least, we have the one that most of you would have seen. This is the 2022. This is the most recent Britannia. Are you going to focus? There we go. So obviously this has got loads of security features and all that sort of stuff on it. So a lot more modern. This one, quite a lot of marks and fingerprints. I haven't been handling this one with gloves on. This has kind of been chucked around and all the rest of it. It's from a tube, so I haven't been looking after it as much as these two. Now, from 1997 to 2012, there wasn't actually 999 silver, it was 0.958 silver. So all the way between the years of 1997 to 2012. So both of these first coins here, you can see it doesn't actually say on there 999 fine silver, because it is 0.958 silver. So nearly fine silver, nearly full silver, but not quite. And again, the same with this one. You can see it says fine silver, but it doesn't say the purity on there. And it was only from kind of 2013 onwards to present day that they got the purity up to 0.999. You can see on there it says 999 fine silver. So that's like a little interesting fact for you there. This one actually contains more silver than these two, but these two are considerably more expensive than this coin. purely because they carry the numismatic value as well. I've seen these first year Britannias go for upwards of £200. I've seen these go for around about £100, and then you can pick these up for around about £25 an ounce. So although this one actually contains more silver, it's more pure silver, these two actually are worth a lot more because of the collectability. So another little fun fact I've actually got written down here. So the image of Britannia was first featured on Roman coins back in 1919 AD. So back in the Roman days, years and years ago, hundreds of years ago, thousands of years ago. So it says Britannia was the Roman name for Great Britain. It was a common for the Romans to identify countries as female figures. So you can see the history behind Britannia. She has literally been on coins since 119 AD. So a long time. So yeah, really nice coin. Let me know in the comment section what you think of these designs. Let me know what's your favourite one. Do you like the Britannia? If you're from America, do you still stack this design even though it will affect you with capital gains tax? Like I said, I'm not going to actually take these out of the capsules today, but even though it's a bit reflective, you can still appreciate the artwork on them. Really nice coins. We can get that to focus a bit. There we go. Really nice designs. And again, even the first year is just really nice with the horses on there. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. Like I said in the comments, let me know which one's your favourite design. Have a nice day.